Vivo Clinic. Today's session is about strengthening your back and core muscles. And nowadays with our lifestyle, a lot of us do suffer from lower back pain. It can happen from injury, activity and some medical conditions. Back pain can affect people of any age for different reasons. As people get older, the chance of developing lower back pain increases. The muscles around the core and pelvis leads to your back pain and any unwanted injuries if they are weak. So I will show you some exercises to strengthen these muscles. So today's session is divided into two parts. The first part is going to be lower back stretching routine and the second part is lower back strengthening routine. So both the parts put together are the perfect combination to help relieve your back pain, strengthen your back and core muscles and improve your flexibility and also prevent any further injuries and stiffness. So it will help you to lead a healthy life. So today I will show you 5 stretching exercises each for 15 seconds and 6 strengthening exercises of 12 repetitions. If you are ready, then let's start. Start with all fours. First you bring your stomach and belly button to the floor as you curl your chin up and try raise your chin up to the ceiling. Hold this position for 15 seconds and make sure you breathe and control your breathing. And now reverse it. Curl your chin into your chest at the same time and hold it for 15 seconds. You can repeat this stretching exercise for more counts if you want. Come with your arms, then try to raise your back and bring your chin to the ceiling. Take a deep breath and hold it for 15 seconds. Let's switch to the easier version. If you can't raise your back so much, then come up with your forearms and curl up with your back and bring your chin to the ceiling. Take a deep breath and hold it for 15 seconds. Lie on the mat with both legs stretched out. Take it slow. Instead of lifting both legs together, lift one at a time. Then bring one knee closer to your chest, keeping the other leg on the floor. Then lower the leg and repeat the opposite leg. Remember to keep your back flat on the floor throughout the workout. Each side hold for 15 seconds. This one I can't show you much, so just push your pelvic through the floor and keep your lower back flat on the ground. You are actually pushing your pelvic straight down to the floor, so this will engage the core. Don't allow the lower back to curve, try to keep it flat. Press and through and breathe. Hold this for 15 seconds. Lie on your back. Bring one knee up and use your hand to gently pull it over to the side. Take it to the point where you feel comfortable. You have to keep your shoulder blade flat on the ground, so that will allow your back to stretch. Slowly return and switch to your opposite side and repeat the same. This is called welcome routine. Place your hands on your head. Try to bend little bit on your knee. We are going to maintain the same bend throughout the whole move. Keep your butt back as you bend over. You will feel the nice stretch on your back and on your legs. Going to repeat the same move for 12 counts. It is very effective for strengthening your legs and your back. We are almost there. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now relax. Simply find a spot against the wall, then stand about 1 foot away. Lean back until your back is fully flat against the wall, then slide down until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Pressing your lower back into the wall, hold for 1 count and repeat for 12 times. This is a low impact workout, does not put any strain on the lower back, so it is extremely effective for strengthening your legs, quads, glutes and hip flexors. We are almost there. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Start on all fours with your back flat and tighten your stomach muscles in a slow and controlled manner. Lift and extend one leg behind you and the opposite arm in the front. Hold for 1 count. Slowly come down and switch to the opposite side. Do each side for 6 repetitions. It's a great exercise to strengthen and stabilize the lower back and core without overloading the spine. I know it's tough, but we are almost there. So last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now relax. Let's come to Superman style. Lie down on your stomach, place your hands on your head, bring your upper body up in a controlled manner. This is a very effective exercise to strengthen your lower back muscles. We will do this move for 12 counts. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now relax. Let's move to alternate Superman. This is also a very effective exercise. Your right arm and left leg will come up. Try to squeeze those glutes. Switch to left arm and right leg and repeat this for 12 counts. We are almost there. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Lie on your back with your knees bent and arms by your sides. Squeeze your glutes and lift your hips off the floor until the shoulders, hips and knees are in a straight line. Hold for 2-3 counts and then slowly lower the hips and repeat for 12 counts. Almost there. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Do these exercises regularly so you will have stronger core and also increase your mobility. So be sure to like this video and also share it with someone who might be suffering from lower back pain. Hit the subscribe button and get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching.